Hi, my name is Mr. Terrio, and I'm your substitute in algebra today. And today, we're going to solve a problem. So, 20 minus x equals 10. Now, what is the first thing I need to do in order to be able to solve this equation? Yes? I have to isolate the what? The x. And so how do I do that? I'm going to subtract 20?
Yes.
Really? Okay, so I'm going to minus 20, and I'm going to minus 20. And so do I cross them out?
Yes.
Okay. And then so that equals now minus 10, is that right?
Yes.
So x equals minus 10.
Negative x is equal to negative 10.
Oh, negative x is equal to negative 10. So wait, do I cross out the... I divide by negative 1?
Yes.
To get rid of the negative sign.
1, sorry. Okay, and then I get x equals 10, is that right?
Yes.
Wow! Okay, you got it?